Optimizing CRM data for sales can be a game changer for your business. In this video, we'll go over how you can use TeamGate CRM to achieve just that. By the end, you'll know how to streamline your sales process, organize your data effectively, and boost your overall performance. But stick around, because I'll also share some alternatives you might want to consider, which could work even better for your business goals. Let's start with the first thing, organizing your data. When optimizing CRM data for sales, you need a clear structure. With TeamGate, you can segment contacts, leads, and customers into categories that make sense for your sales strategy. This can include creating custom fields for more specific information or tagging entries for easy sorting. The better organized your data, the quicker your team can access key information when closing deals. Next thing, automated data entry. TeamGate offers automation features that reduce the time spent manually entering information. This helps keep your CRM data clean and up to date without overwhelming your team with busy work. It's essential that your CRM updates automatically when there are changes to customer data, so your team doesn't have to worry about inputting it manually and can focus more on building relationships. The third thing, tracking sales activities. With TeamGate, tracking interactions with your leads is simple. You can log emails, calls, and meetings within the platform, which helps give your sales team visibility into the entire sales process. By having all of your data in one place, it's easier to see which leads are the most engaged, so your team can prioritize accordingly. Now, let's talk about integrating with other tools. CRM data is most useful when it can integrate with the other tools you're using, like email marketing or project management software. TeamGate allows for integrations with other platforms, which can help you pull in data from various sources, reducing data silos and creating a more complete picture of each customer interaction. The fifth thing, reporting and analytics. TeamGate has built-in reporting and analytics that help you turn CRM data into actionable insights. By understanding which sales strategies are working and which aren't, you can continuously optimize your process. For example, TeamGate lets you track KPIs, monitor the sales funnel, and even forecast sales to make more informed decisions. So far, we've covered some great ways TeamGate can help you optimize CRM data for sales. But here's the thing, TeamGate isn't perfect for every sales team. While its features are solid, you might find other platforms offer better customization or more advanced analytics tools depending on your specific needs. One CRM that stands out as an alternative is Software X, which gives even deeper insights and a more customizable interface. It might take some time to set up, but for larger teams looking to maximize their CRM data for sales, it could be worth considering. Before I wrap up, let me give you a quick reminder. TeamGate might be a great starting point, but if you're serious about optimizing CRM data for sales, you should check out Software Y as well. It's got a robust set of features, integrates with a lot of other platforms, and even provides more detailed reporting options. Now, here's something exclusive for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial of TeamGate. But I've also included those alternative options that might better suit your sales goals. When you sign up through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits only for our viewers. That's all for today. If you want more videos like this, make sure to check out the links below for more CRM insights.